What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Work Faster with your boy Fox. Today we are going over how I make my drums overall for house music and fast little tips to get you going so you can start working on other stuff in your project. Let's get started. So rather simply, in my other video, we went over my MIDI configuration. I have my kick, I have my clap, I have my open hat, already samples in each of these different instruments so that I can just kind of start playing with different ideas and stuff. So I already have a kick. I like thump, thump, thump. Cool. Let's go find a clap that I like. Okay. Now once again with MIDI, you can shorten things a lot so you can change the sound of it and sculpt it the way you want. So, and then let's get a hat started. We'll start with a close hat, actually. We kind of like that. So what we can do then is we'll start to go dive into loops. And I won't even listen to a good majority of the loops I bring in. I will literally just start grabbing like 5 or 6 different ones and I'll just line them up. So there's actually a fun little trick I like to use when you're playing with loops. If you go to your warp modes there and you go to beats, yeah, that is off. So it's just off, no loop. So we get that, and then you can change this number. It's the envelope. And then just trim it down so it gets kind of choppy. It kind of adds some really cool rhythm to anything that you add to it, which is really neat. And we'll do all this, and then we can kind of get a quick sense of what our loops sound like. Oh, that's a lot. That's really loud. We want to change the volume first. And mind you, the loops should not be the main focal point of your track. They should be background sound. So we got to be really paying close attention to your gain staging when you're actually setting up your drums. Highly important. So I don't like how much that's coming through. So once again, you go to beats, you go to off, and change the envelope. Ooh, that's kind of funky. I like that. Okay. Yo, that's actually kind of slappy. I love that. Sick. Okay, so that is pretty much how I formulate my drums. Is I literally just like randomly incorporate loops and then just like quick cut them. And so there's a way to kind of improve the energy as the track continues, and I'll go over that right now. So once the track drops, and this is kind of like almost like a minimal tech house vibe. So oh, it would help if I don't loop it. So boom, 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 boom. So then at this point, I decided I didn't like the ride yet, but you can use it as another sample to just kind of like have a one-shot hit. And then you can start incorporating that into the very beginning. So now you have a new one-shot that you didn't have before that kind of, it adds as an impact to your drums. And once again, remember, a lot of music making comes from happy accidents. You have to actually play around long enough to find stuff that you like. And that's definitely how I became a better producer, is because you just come up with different ideas or like tricks and like your own personal things that you just like kept on messing around with. And then suddenly you like, whoa, I didn't expect that to be cool. And then it was. So now we have a one shot to the beginning of the drop. Hope you guys like this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want more hands-on information with me personally, as well as access to presets and sample packs, don't forget to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/foxedofficial. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out and have a kick-ass rest of your day. We'll see you guys later.